Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we study about HTML introduction. We see what is HTML, a sample of HTML documents. So first of all we start about HTML is the standard marked up language for creating web page. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. Next we have HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label a piece of content such as this is heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link and others. Next we have a sample HTML documents. It's a example of HTML documents. Now we explain example in which we have the dot script HTML declaration define that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser title bar or in the page tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible content such as headings, paragraphs, image, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading, the P element defined as a paragraph. Next we have what is an HTML element. That is an HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content and an end tag. That is tag name, content goes here and this is tag name. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. H1 my first heading, P my first paragraph. Next we have HTML editors, in which a simple text editor is all you need to learn HTML. Learn HTML using Noted to text edit. Web page can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. However, for learning HTML, we recommended a simple text editor like Notepad PC or text editor Mac. We believe that using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. Follow the step below to create your first web page with Notepad or TextEdit. Step 1 we have Window 8 or later. Open Notepad. Open the start screen. The window symbol at the bottom left on your screen. Type Notepad Windows 7 or earlier. Open Start Program Accessories. Then next step is Notepad. Next we have step 1 that is open text edit Mac. Open Finder application text edit. Also change some preference to get the application to save file correctly. In preference format choose plain text. The under open and save. Check the box that say display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. Then open a new document to place the code. Next we have second step, write some HTML, write or copy the following HTML code into Notepad. This is a format of HTML program. Next we have HTML basic examples. That is, in this chapter we will show some basic HTML examples. Don't worry if you use tags you have not learned about yet. HTML documents. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration, that is doco type HTML. The HTML documents itself begin with HTML and end with /HTML. The visible part of the HTML documents is between body and /body. Next we have the doc type declaration, document type declaration. The doc type declaration represents the document type and help browser to display web page correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. The doc type declaration is not case sensitive, and last one is the apostrophe doc type declaration for HTML is in this form. Next we have how to view HTML source. Have you ever seen a web page and wondered, hey, how did they do that? View HTML source code. Right click in an HTML page and select View Page Source in Chrome or View Source in Edge or similar in other browsers. This will be open a window containing the HTML source code of the page. And last one is inspect an HTML element. Right click on a element or a blank area and choose inspect or inspect element to see what elements are made up of. You will see both the HTML and the CSS. You can also edit the HTML or CSS on the fly in the element or stress panel that opens. So today lecture is end. I hope you like my channel, you like my video. I hope so. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.